Welcome to the first segment of my new tool. This is where I focus on the latest tool for my shop, and today is the Nomad welding table. The table can be purchased off of Amazon. There is a link in the description below. It is an affiliate link, which allows me to make a small commission on the sale at no additional cost to you. The table itself is 20 inches wide by 30 inches long. It weighs approximately 35 to 40 pounds. The table is adjustable in height, up and down. There are 4 factory presets on the sides, which you use the pins and the lock knobs to use as far as height. I'm a little bit taller. I am 6'1", so I had to drill 2 extra holes in the side profiles so that way I could raise the table up to my height. Very simple to do. Allows a little bit more customization with the table. The table itself, the top is made out of 14 gauge steel. I would have liked to seen it made out of 1/8 inch material for a little bit more strength and rigidity. But when using it, I'll just have to keep that in mind with the weight and how I use it. There are 3 slide rails that allow you plenty of different options when it comes to clamping and moving your material around on the table. Also, there is a side stop and a rear stop that allow you more flexibility when using the table as far as stops and or clamping surface. The table does collapse, which allows easy storage in a tight space. Just like that. There are wheels on it which allow you to move it around. Overall, I think it will be a great addition to the shop due to the fact that the table that I have been using is rather large and a pain in the butt to move, and also has my truck on it at the moment. The floor itself is getting cold because it's winter time, so this will be a great addition to any shop. Like I said, there is a link in the description below, and this is my new tool.